Good day everyone. We are a Group 4 and I'm Grant Michael de la Cruz together with Mark Angelo de Vera, Abraham Flores, Edgar Fitzgerald, and Roel Aquino. And we are here to represent the Convolutional Neural Network. Convolutional Neural Network or CNN is a deep learning algorithm particularly powerful for image recognition and processing tasks. Is inspired by the organization of the animal visual cortex and has revolutionized the field of computer vision. How it works of CNN. Number 1. Input. The network takes an image as input, represented as a matrix of pixel value. And number 2. Convolutional layers. These layers learn to extract features from the input image using small filters that slide over the image, detecting patterns like edges and texture. Number 3. Activation function. After convolution, an activation function like ReLU introduces non-inheritance, enhancing the network ability to learn complex patterns. Number 4. Pooling layers. Pulling layers down sample the feature maps, reducing computational complexity while retaining important information. Number 5. Fully connected layers. The pattern output from previous layers is fed into fully connected layers which act as classifiers, making prediction based on learner features. Number 6. CNN are trained using labeled data adjusting parameters, weight, and biases through backpropagation to minimize the differences between predicted and actual labels. Number 7. Last. Once trained, the CNN can predict classes of new image by passing them through the network and choosing the class with the highest probability output.
Types of CNN. LeNet 5. One of the earliest CNN architectures designed for handwritten digit recognition. Number 2. AlexNet. Gained popularity for winning the ImageNet Challenge in 2012. Introduced deeper architectures with multiple convolutional layers. Number 3. VGG, Visual Geometric Group. Networks known for their uniform architectures with many layers and small convolutional filters, often used as a baseline for image classification. Number 4. GoogleNet, Inception. Introduce inception modules to capture complex patterns efficiently with multiple filter sizes within the same layer. Number 5. ResNet, Residual Network. Address vanishing gradient problem by introducing residual connections. Enable training of a very deep network. Number 6. MobileNet. Optimized for mobile and embedded devices. Use depthwise separable convolutions to reduce computational cost. Number 7. DenseNet. Densely connected convolutional networks. Connects each layer to every other layers in a dense block to encourage feature reuse and propagation. 8. UNIT. Specialized for semantic segmentation tasks. Consists of an encoder-decoder architectures for capturing context and precise locations. Number 9. YOLO. You Only Look Once. Real-time object detection system that processes image in a single pass, divides the image into a grid for predicting bounding boxes and class probabilities. Number 10. Capsule Networks. Utilizes capsules to capture hierarchical spatial relationship and overcome limitations of traditional CNN.
AlexNet, developed in 2012 by Alex Krajewski, Iya Saxriver, and Geoffrey Hinton, revolutionized the field of computer vision by winning the ImageNet Large-Scale Visual Recognition Challenge. Its architecture comprises convolutional layers, max-pooling layers, and fully connected layers. AlexNet employs ReLU activation functions and dropout regularization to enhance performance and prevent overfitting, making it a pioneering model in deep learning for image recognition tasks.
Key features of example of CNN: convolutional layers. The first convolutional layers has 96 kernels of size 11 by 11, followed by max pooling. Subsequent convolutional layers reduce the kernel size to 5 by 5 and 3 by 3 with increasing depth. Fully connected layers. The fully connected layers consist of 4096 neurons, each followed by a softmax output layers for classification. In fact, AlexNet demonstrated the effectiveness of deep convolutional neural networks for image classification tasks, paving the way for subsequent advancement in the field.
How robotics use NLP, or natural language processing, enables robot to understand and respond to natural language commands from users, facilitate comprehension of textual instruction and engagement in conversational interaction, enhance human-robot interaction and collaboration, improving users' experience and task efficiency. How robotics use CNN, or convolutional neural network, empowers robot with visual perception capability for tasks like object recognition, detection, and navigation. Enables robot to analyze image or video streams, identify object, and navigate safety in complex environment. Enhance autonomy and efficiency in robotic by providing accurate and reliable visual information processing. How robotics use RNN, or recurrent neural network, supports robot in language understanding tasks such as interpreting user commands and generating appropriate response. Enable sequential decision making in robotics by modeling motion trajectories or sequence of action. Enhance adaptability and responsiveness of robot to change environmental condition in real time. To make it short, NLP for language, CNN for vision, RNN for sequence.
In addition, studying convolutional neural network is crucial for computer science students, especially those interested in fields like computer vision, image recognition, and deep learning. CNN are the backbone of many cutting-edge applications, from facial recognition to autonomous vehicles. Understanding them provides a solid foundation in modern machine learning techniques and opens doors to various careers opportunities in AI and related fields. Again, we are a group 4, and I'm Grant Michael de la Cruz, together with Mark Angelo de Vera, Abraham Flores, Edgar Fitzgerald Cruz, and Roel Aquino. Thank you for watching and listening.